Well, while the coronavirus vaccine is just beginning to roll out across the world, the flu vaccine is already here, and it can be just as important for saving somebody's life.
Yeah, according to the Centers for Disease Control, as many as 62,000 people died last flu season. That's between October and April. And if you've not had your flu shot yet, today is your chance to get one for free.
Joining us live to talk about the Multnomah County's free flu shot clinic is Program Manager Charlene McGee. Thank you so much for joining us this morning.
You're welcome. Good morning.
Good morning. So first off, let's talk about when and where today's clinic is happening.
So we have partnered with the Rosewood Initiative. The free clinic is happening at 16126 Southeast Stark Street in Portland, Oregon. In addition to actually the flu clinic today, we are also offering a weekly free clinic at the Portland Community College Cascade campus as well.
Okay, and so then what's required? Do people need, insurance, or what's the deal when they show up?
So the flu clinic that we're offering is free for anyone who shows up. No insurance is required. So we want to make sure that we're making this resource as easy and low barrier as possible. So anyone is welcome to take advantage of that opportunity.
Yeah, I know we've talked about these fears of a twin-demic this year, right? Of seeing a rise in flu cases during flu season along with COVID-19 cases. Are you concerned that people are not getting their flu shot this year to the levels that we would typically see?
Yeah, so we're definitely encourage folks to take their flu shot. With the existence, as you mentioned, of the COVID pandemic, it's important that we take all the preventative measures to ensure that we're not burdening our healthcare system. We know that for some folks within our community who are immunocompromised, folks with a pre-existing condition, those 65 and over, that contracting the flu, some may get sick, that may result in hospitalization. And then there are folks that we know who sometimes their illness ends up in death as well. So, every flu season we recognize is different. And we know that, it's never too late to take the flu vaccine. So we're definitely encouraging folks to take the best preventative measure that we have to reduce illness and hospitalization, especially with the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic.
Yeah, and again, this is totally free, and I'm sure cost can sometimes be a barrier for people. I mean, why are programs like these, just so important to get people to get out and get their flu shots?
I mean, it's definitely important because, again, it's decreasing the burden on the healthcare system, providing safety net resources to community members who may have barriers, accessing various services. We definitely want to encourage, parents of young children, pregnant women, those 65 and over, and those with a pre-existing condition take advantage of this opportunity to make themselves safe and healthy, as well as their household, and ultimately that will protect our community as a whole.
Yeah, especially this year, we need any level of protection, that we can add
Absolutely.
on, that we can get. So, Charlene, thank you so much for joining us this morning. Great to talk with you about this program. And of course, for anyone who wants to go get their flu shot today, is looking for those resources, we'll have all the information for them at coin.com. Thank you.